Nasa Saudi at sa Hilton yan. Nag-abroad yata. Yan yung mga vlog niya. Saudi nga. Riyadh. Si paring Idol Hilton. Shout out Hilton vlog. Next is XCon Doriano. It's a gaming channel. Don't forget to visit this channel, guys. Ulan na po ka. Ulan na po na. Next, Last GC Adventures. Nungos lang ng honeybees. Sarap yan. Pure na pure. Tsaka magmukbang na siya. Nagmumukbang. Yan. Yan, mukbang. Mulay. Okay. Let's go back to Ma'am Shen. Fatima Shahida Abdullah pala. Okay, let's play one video for Ma'am. This one. Okay, it's with because naglo-loading ito kay Ting Idol. Tingy. Oriented sila isa-isa kada channel may ilang isang video na i-play ko, sometimes dalawa tatlo.